This data is so messy. We have duplicates, missing values, dates with different formats, names which are not properly capitalized. Don't worry, let's clean this within 30 seconds. First, I have already mounted Google Drive and load the data. And you can see different formats, missing values, duplicates, not properly capitalized names. Our first step is to drop missing values. df.dropNA in place equal to true. Second step, drop duplicates. df drop duplicates in place equal to true. Our third step is to make the names properly capitalized. df name equal to df name dot str dot title. Now let's check df. Names are properly capitalized. No more duplicates. No more missing values. Let's do the last step. Make sure this column has the same format. df purchase date equal to pd dot to date time. df purchase date. Check df again. Now this column has the same format. That's to clean data within 30 seconds. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Happy coding!